Hello friends, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In our earlier videos, we saw that if we want to modify or update the values present in our table, then we can use update table command. Now, if we want to modify or alter the structure of the table also, then we can do this with the help of alter table command. So, let us first open terminal. MySQL -u root -p. Okay, so databases. So we have database here, just use that. Now let us see which are the tables present in our database. As you can see, we have student table and temp table. So for this particular example, we use temp table because we don't want to uh, modify the student table. Okay, so let me first see, select star from temp. Okay, so it has no values. Let us see, describe table. Okay, so as you can see, it has only one column, id, and it has integer data type. So let us first see, if you want to add a new column in your table, then how do you do that? So write alter table and then specify the table name. In our case, it is temp. Then write add, then the name of the column that you want to create. Let us create name and the data type. Write varchar, let's say 30, and the if you want to specify any constraint like null, not null, primary key, we specify null here. Okay, so it can be null, and fire. Now run again describe table. As you can see, the new column has been added in our temp table, and it has type of varchar and maximum length is 30 as we specified here. Okay, now if you want to add multiple columns at once, then now write alter table, the name of the column that you want to insert, let's say surname, data type, let's say 30 of length, and it can be null. Now I want to add another column. Oops, insert add here, alter table, then name of the table, then add new column named surname, and it has varchar of data type and length is 30 and it can be null. Now we want to add another column name, let's say salary, integer, let's say 100, and it can be null also. Okay, now fire describe table. As you can see, two new fields or columns has been added in our temp table, that is surname and salary. So now if we want to modify a column that have already present in your table, then we use modify, write alter table, then name of the table. Now modify. Now we have salary is int and 100. Now let's say I want to change the data type of salary to varchar. Okay, and in real world salary cannot be in varchar, but for the sake of understanding, let us change the data type of salary to varchar. So modify salary to varchar, let's say 10, and it can be null. Okay, as you can see, the data type of salary has been changed. You can also change the null constraint. We can set it to null because salary can be null, but if we want it to be not null, okay, as you can see. Now if you want to delete or drop a column in your table, then we can use drop column command, write alter table, then name of the table, drop column, and the name of the column that you want to delete. Now I want to delete salary column. Okay, so I write salary, press enter. Describe table to see the structure of your table. As you can see, the salary has been removed from our table. Now if you want to rename the column in your table, then we can use change column command, write alter table, the name of the table, then change column, the old name of the column that are present in your table, let's say id, and I want to change it to roll number. Okay, now you have to specify the definition of that column. Definition by mean the data type and the constraint. So the data type is int 11, and it can it can't be null. Okay, enter. As you can see, the name of the id has been changed to roll number. Now if you want to rename the entire table, then also you can do it with the help of alter command, write alter table, name of the table, rename to, we use rename to, then the new name of the table that you want to give, let's say temp2. Okay, now we use show tables. As you can see, the name of the table has been changed from temp to temp2. So these are the example of operations that you can perform using alter command. And now just close this, open MySQL workbench. Let us see one example. Let us add one column in temp table. Okay, we change the name of the temp. Okay, alter table, the name of the table, temp2, add, we want to add, let's say, salary, int 100, it can be null. Okay, fire this, describe once again. As you can see, salary is added to our table, and all the operations that we have performed in our terminal, the same operation you can perform in MySQL workbench. There will be no difference. Okay, thanks for watching it.